Hi garden lovers, welcome back to Healthforyou, your source for natural hacks for a healthier life and greener world. Today, we're diving into the surprising powers of baking soda. You know it for baking and freshening up the fridge, but did you know it can transform your garden? This simple white powder, sodium bicarbonate, has a secret life beyond the kitchen. It's a gentle guardian for your plants, protecting them and boosting growth without harsh chemicals. In your garden's ecosystem, it works in harmony with nature. The ways you can use it are truly extraordinary. In this video, we'll reveal 16 ingenious ways to harness baking soda for your green spaces. Grab a notepad and stay with us. You might find your garden's greatest hero is already in your kitchen. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of mild soap, and a teaspoon of oil in a gallon of water for a natural fungicide. Wet your soil, sprinkle baking soda. If it fizzes, your soil is acidic. Sprinkle baking soda on your compost pile to neutralize odors and keep it fresh. Mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar for a non-toxic ant bait. Combine 1 teaspoon baking soda with 1/3 cup oil, add a teaspoon of this mix to a cup of water, and spray on pests. Wipe houseplant leaves with a solution of half a teaspoon baking soda in a liter of water for a healthy shine. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and canola oil plus a few drops of dish soap in a gallon of water to deter pests. Water crabgrass, then sprinkle baking soda directly on the weed to kill it without harming your lawn. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to vase water to keep cut flowers vibrant. Mix a teaspoon each of baking soda and Epsom salt plus half a teaspoon of ammonia in a gallon of water for a plant boost. Dust brassicas with equal parts baking soda and flour to get rid of cabbage worms. Soothe poison ivy irritation with a paste of baking soda and water. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to your watering can to help stressed plants recover. Lightly sprinkle baking soda around tomato plants to reduce acidity and boost sweetness. Sweep baking soda into patio cracks, add vinegar and watch moss and weeds disappear. Spray a mix of 1 tablespoon baking soda in a gallon of water around your seating area to repel biting insects. That's 16 amazing ways to use baking soda in your garden. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. By choosing natural alternatives, you're creating a healthier space for your family and garden wildlife. Small changes can make a big difference for our planet. Let us know which tip you'll try first in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Healthforyou. Your garden and the earth will thank you. Until next time, happy gardening.